So good everybody on YouTube. What's up? What is poppin'? It is me, one of your inconsistent favorite YouTubers who don't really mean to be inconsistent like that. It's me, it's your girl, Cerise Hood, in today's video. If you're technically watching this, it may be either a Tuesday or Wednesday, one or the other. But however, today is actually going to be one of the good videos that I'm actually posting, or the first video that I'm posting since I left from Cantrell. Because I think the last video that I posted was, if I can be correct, let me check my phone, hence was one of the reasons why I was never able to post as frequently as I would have wanted to. I think that, the last video that I posted was the 20th anniversary to Tokyo Mew Mew being in anime and, to the manga and anime series, which was like that was like a month ago, so. Actually, that wasn't a month ago. Yeah, it was a month ago. And that was that. Just hold that thought. So, in today's video, this is actually going to be a apartment tour, which of course I've kind of seen these apartment tours before, but I mean, and they were all like super dope and they look way better than mine. Then some apartment tours look better than others, but however, this one's going to be like my first one, so we're going to kind of start off from the main space of the apartment, which is my room. But yeah, that's kind of the gist. So, I'm going to show you guys what my room looks like. So just keep watching. Of course, as you can see, this is my bed. Those are my shoes. But however, this is my wall. One of my walls that I just decided to decorate with old pictures and stuff like that. Yeah, I have I have this poster that I got from my best friend. I got these pictures from my mom during my within my childhood. I got this one from AnimeCon last year, which this year I will be attending. But the rest of these pictures are from Gamer that I was performing in with my friend Envy, because she's the host. And of course, if you have not been to Club Sway, y'all are missing out on all of the fun. But that's neither here nor there, because the next part of the apartment that I'm going to show you guys, despite the fact that my room is not really finished, is my brother and my brother in their room. And my brother's in their room. Their room is more put together than mine's, because I have this going on. But however, I did make some orders on Amazon to get my stuff together for my room. So my room is somewhat coming together, at least. But on to my brother and their room. And here is my brother's room, along with his girlfriend and stepdaughter. This is their TV drawer, bed, lights, pictures, shelves and stuff. Also, she also has a mirror, which means at some point, if they're not here, I can just take some pictures and stuff like that, because this mirror is somewhat like a full body mirror, and this full body mirror is like everything. I got cake. Look at, I got cake. Like, that's besides the point. But this is where I would say mostly where I take most of my pictures, where I'm going to be taking most of my pictures, since I don't have a mirror of my own. Or most likely I will be in my room taking pictures, because I will be having a ring light in there soon. So next to the best part of the apartment is where I'll be doing most of my makeup tutorials. And you guessed it, it's going to be in the bathroom. So let's go. And here we are. The bathroom. So, Here within this bathroom, this is going to be where I do most of my makeup tutorials, skincare routine, and pretty much almost, yeah, just mainly makeup and skincare routines. And also, if I wanted to like my little get ready with me videos, I'm going to be mostly in the bathroom. Because, of course, there's more space for me to do most of my makeup tutorials, especially for the ones that I got coming up this Sunday, which is a baby goth makeup tutorial, which, of course, I'm super excited about because, of course, like I said, I made a couple of purchases from Amazon to get what I needed, like makeup brushes, ring lights, LED lights and stuff in my room, and I'm getting some neon lights put in my room as well. Just so you know, to set the mood, and I might change my, I'm gonna be changing my bed and stuff at some point. I mean, the bed is perfectly fine. I just need to change the sheets and stuff like that. So yeah, that's kind of like the gist of everything. But yeah, this is gonna be where I do most of my recordings and dyeing my hair at some point, because I will be redying my hair very, very, very soon. So with that being what that is, let's go to the next part of the house. Well, the apartment to be exact. And we are dining room, front room, kitchen area per se. This is, I would say, because I know for like the next couple of other videos, I might do some cooking, depending on how I feel. And of course, since this is the kitchen area, the front room is pretty much right here. So it's like I would say it's a 3-for-1, because you got the dining room area, the kitchen, and the front room. So you can't really go wrong with that. You just really can't go wrong with that. Now we're gonna go to a more, I wouldn't say a more pristine part of the house, but the master room. Well, the master's bedroom and bathroom situation, which is just like right there. But however, my mom's room is a lot bigger than mine's, and they have a bathroom there. So that's all that. So y'all don't really need to know that part. But however, we do have a balcony, and I'm going to show you what the balcony is like. And we're going to just sit and relax and enjoy the good breeze. And this part is where I mostly come outside, which is of course the balcony. But however, this balcony is kind of like, because it's really dope. I gotta find better lighting a little bit, but yeah, like this is where me and my brother and my sister Zaria will come out here to just chill, drink, or whatever the case. But I might do a section or a session on here where I would do like different little like videos, which is like weed related, which means the ring light and stuff will be out here at night, because it makes more sense to do that, because I will be doing some smoke with weed videos, which is an idea that I might do, or I don't know just yet, because I want to record like some really, really good stuff for this channel, which is crazy, because I might do like some stuff out and around. But however, as y'all can see within the balcony, we got like the little checker chess thingy right over there, and it's really big too. We have this little polo shuffleboard ordeal. Then we have like a pool, which is all the way over there. We do have a gym, but I do believe it's this particular area right over here where the pool is at. So we have to like go in and then go straight to, because it leads straight to it goes directly to the pool and the gym. So therefore it's a 2-for-1 special, but of course the pool is outside. But of course the gym is over there, which is a good thing, because I will be posting some dance videos in there. if I decide to and if I really feel like it. But however, I do got some stuff coming up that is like dance related from my music channel. And also I still got some stuff coming for you guys, like dance videos, drag videos, or just me doing cover songs or original music. I just really haven't really posted, hence why I've been doing like a lot, and I'm kind of busy with something in the works. But if y'all paid attention to my second channel, which is the music channel, I did an audition, but I can't tell you what audition, but it's an audition nonetheless. And if you actually paid attention to the title, it was plain as day. But however, outside of that, this is pretty much the apartment. I would show y'all the laundry room, but y'all kind of seen that already, so there's that. But that will be the end of this video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like these, or for my roll with me videos, smoke with me videos, or just makeup tutorials in general. Just, tell a friend to come to my channel, subscribe, and we could talk, laugh, all that good stuff. And also, I will be leaving my Cash App in the description box below. Because at some point really soon, I'm going to be doing a tattoo vlog, and I want all of you guys to kind of like see the tattoos that I want or that I'm getting and the ideas and stuff like that. But however, I think it'll be like really dope to do, and I hope to see you guys in my next video, which means I will be recording Saturday and have the videos out early. I wouldn't say early Sunday, but it will be like it's going to be during the day, but it's going to be in the afternoon. I'll say like around 2 or 3 in the afternoon for my transformation. I want to say transformation video, my makeup videos, especially because I got 3 videos lined up for this week, next week, and the week after that. But every other videos on Sunday are still going to be like my makeup related, like smoke with me videos. But however, within those 2 videos, I might post them in the same day, but 2 hours apart, so there won't be no confusion. Or I just might post one video one day and post another video the next day. So that makes more sense. So again, if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye!